What is rack and pinion mechanism? A rack and pinion is a type of linear actuator that comprises a circular gear called as the pinion, is engaging a linear gear called as the rack. As the pinion gear rotates, its teeth engage with the teeth on the rack, causing the rack to move linearly. It is converting the rotation motion to linear motion. Conversely, moving the rack linearly will cause the pinion to rotate. A rack and pinion drive can use both straight and helical gears. Helical racks, while being more affordable, have proven to increase side torque on the datums, increasing operating temperature leading to premature wear. Straight racks require a lower driving force, and offer increased torque and speed per fraction of gear ratio, which allows lower operating temperature and lessens viscal friction and energy use. The maximum force that can be transmitted in a rack and pinion mechanism is determined by the torque on the pinion and its size, or conversely, by the force on the rack and the size of the pinion. Rack and pinion combinations are often used as part of a simple linear actuator, where the rotation of a shaft powered by hand or by a motor is converted to linear motion. Thanks for watching.